Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you a time-based line chart that I created in Power BI. Basically what this line chart is depicting is visitors every hour, but the great thing is that you can drill it down. So if, for example, if you want to drill it down to visitor every 30 minutes, so either you can use this click, go to the next level in hierarchy, and you can see now you can see the visitors every 30 minutes. And again, if you want to drill it down further, you can see the visitors every 15 minutes, and then finally visitor every minute. So I will quickly show you how I created this kind of a visualization. So what you need in order to create this visualization is a time table, kind of a time-based table. So where you will need all the time options for every second, right? So here you can see I have got like 86,400 rows in here. Those are the number of seconds in 24 hours in a day. So now I have created buckets for every category that I am showing in that line chart. So bucket for 1 hour, bucket for 30 minutes, 15 and 1 minute, right? Then also what's needed is the sort, right? Because what will happen is if you don't use the sort, it will not sort it according to time, rather it will sort it like as a number. So that will be like all jumbled up. So what I have done is I have created these bucket sorts. So for a 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute and 1 minute, right? So that it's sorted accordingly. So what I have simply done is I have imported that table in this area and in the data place. Now what I have done is, so if I can quickly go into transform and show you the shape, the way the data is pulled. So you can see the source. So the source is the timetable. Okay, so this is what I have used as the source. And all right, so once the table is pulled, what you can do is so for bucket 1 hour, you can sort it by the bucket 1 hour sort. So you can just say sort by column in the table tools and use bucket 1 hour sort that I have already used. So now it will be sorted on the basis of this column. Similarly, you can do it for 30 minutes, 15 minutes and 1 minute. Now coming back to the line chart, I have pulled all those buckets in the axis, right? So this creates a automatic drill down option. So this is how you can create a time-based chart in Power BI very easily with the help of a timetable. Thank you.